So we are here at the second cave, which is the window cave, and it turns out we have to have a tour guide for here, which I didn't realize. I thought we could just come. You could either do a tour or not do a tour. Anyway, turns out we do. It's 19 bucks and free parking, which is nice. So, well, about to start this, we'll turn on some air. It's hot today. Yeah, so we have about an hour. We just missed the 2 o'clock tour, so we gotta wait for the 3 o'clock one. So we got a little bit of time to kill before we go do that. Yeah, it's a small kitty. Yeah.
It's hungry.
Meow, meow.
Aww.
Meow.
I wish I had some food for you. You probably do too.
Are you homeless? Do you live in the caves? You a cave kitty? Cave kitty.
Aww. Poor kitty. Chicken.
Chicken. Oh, it's gonna attack you. What'd you get, Mr. Chicken?
He's running.
Oh, he's
from
fast.
us. Yeah.
Oh, bugger. Are you done? Okay. You're cute. How are you? Oh, you're little. Oh, good job.
Oh, shit.
Yeah, so we got hummocks. They don't smell so fresh. But at least you won't get hurt, I guess. We'll just have to wash our hair when we get home.
Escuela 415, escuela, escuela.
There's always smiling, so that's good for us. Nosotros todavía no tenemos significado. She's asking why it was made. But this day, we don't have any concrete answer of that. We don't know why, because they don't have a writing language at that time, so we don't really know. Some archaeologists, yeah, that's the first thing they're happy. Some people or archaeologists say that it was made for they believe that it was the project protectors or the guardian of the cave, okay?
There's a big difference between petroglyphs and hieroglyphs. There are no two same petroglyphs. If we study tribes like Incas, like Mayans and Aztecs, those guys, they did have a written language based on symbols. Petroglyphs, in that case, that repeat themselves. So that's particularly some kind of language because you can see signs that will repeat themselves. This is not the case of the Taino petroglyph. It's different. There are no two same petroglyphs found all around the Caribbean. So it's not related to language whatsoever. Okay?
That's slippery.
Height, weight, but they share the same history. The geologists say that they were together one time, but there was, because of the root of the trees up there, it breaks. I don't know if you guys see inside the roots, in the roof, it breaks the cave, so you divide them, okay? So right now we're gonna go down, watch out, okay?
Eso no me hace nada. Yo no me sabía eso.
123, it was the old number 10 road. Right now it's number 10, but that was the old route from Arecibo to Guam. Okay? This town you see right here is called Jaguar. So basically, the bat that lives inside of here, a part of the Puerto Rico boa that is up here, you're going to see in a couple of minutes. The fisher bat. What it does, it goes at night to take the fish, bring it up here, you eat it. Sometimes we have like coins up here. Right now I don't see one. So, and eat it right here. That's the smell. You can smell it's like little dirt, fishy. So that's what basically we have right here. Any other question, any other detail you can ask, okay?
Let's take a look at the Puerto Rican boa, guys. Puerto Rican boas, females, reach 6 to 8 feet long, and they're protected. They belong to the endangered species of wildlife here in the Caribbean. Males are slender and shorter. Females are heavier, bigger, and stronger than females. If you're going to take a look at the Puerto Rican boa, you get a standby behind me here, guys. I'm going to shine the bright light directly where the Puerto Rican boa is, and then you can shine where the boa is. You see over there, that's part of the body there. You see? It's coiled in that corner. Looks like a blood sausage over there. Para los boricuas es una morcilla.
Yeah, but like you can't even like see around it. Oh, yours is better. Mine looks really like artificial green.
And that milk don't go away. They're going to wait for the bats to go outside, and they're going to catch the bats in mid-air. Very interesting. There are some cases here in Puerto Rico that National Geographic have been here with us and filmed a lot of videos about the behavior of the Puerto Rican boa at night. Very cool. Yeah, that's a female.
How do they catch the bats? Do they wait for it to go into the hole, or do they jump near them?
Okay, now what they do is they can hang around, especially the outside. They hang over there, like spring.
Oh, they hang out.
Yeah, and they're going to wait for the bats to fly around. They're going to catch them over there, coil them, squeeze them, strangle them, then swallow them whole.
Oh, wow.
Yeah, that's nature, yeah. About the smell. It smells like here like a fish type of aroma. That's because of the diet of one of the most largest bats that we have in this part of the world, especially in the island. It's called the bulldog or fisherman bat. That bat feeds mainly on fish. How do these bats, how do they fish? Very easy, like an eagle. They don't dive. They're just going to fly very close to the surface. They're going to use echolocation. They have big talons, very similar to an eagle, and they're going to grab the fish like that. They have a membrane, very similar to pelicans, and they're going to wrap the fish in there, like a net, and they're going to bring the fish in here. They're going to eat the fish, and that's why it smells like this in here. The wingspan of the bulldog can reach almost 3 feet long, guys. That's a big bat. The green stuff on the walls, that's algae. Very common in caves like this in the island. Behind you, that's the largest stalagmite that we have in the park. Behind the largest stalagmite, we have the largest amount of columns. Those columns, they form a room that we call the cathedral. They're very cool.
Well, it's too bad that a lot of it's so dark. We couldn't get anything like inside the cave, which is too bad. But hopefully we got enough over on this end and over at that big opening to give you guys an idea of what it's like. It's pretty neat actually, and a lot of the stuff that you couldn't see is similar to this, but on a smaller scale. Yeah. So anyway, it's definitely worth it. It's pretty cool. I've never been in anything like this. I've been in a cave, but it was not even remotely this big. So it's super cool. So I would say $19 is definitely worth it.
There's a rock formation here that looks like an old man. like a guy, like a parrot. Some people call him looks like Jesus. Other people say it looks like Gandalf or Lord of the Rings. Other people call him Zeus or Mount Olympus, give it different names. But the thing is that you can't see this face with a naked eye. You have to use a cell phone. Never with a naked eye. Okay, I'm going to use my cell phone so you can see where the face is. Okay? You can't see the face. Can't. ¿Cuántos de ustedes no pueden ver la cara? Que no pueden. Have you guys saw the face?
Typically.
What?
Typically. Right, easy does it. So this is the tree with the roots going into the cave. Well, there we go. All done. So that took about an hour and a half or so, which is exactly what they said it would. So we are going to be heading back. We're going to grab some gas first. We haven't got any gas yet since we've been here, so we're going to do that and head back to the hotel, and then I guess decide on some supper, and probably go for a swim later on, which would be nice, just to cap off the evening, kind of like what we did yesterday.